I say that every structure that's built there, that you designed, should have this big gold emblem on it, which says structural engineering inside. I know you think I'm crazy, but think about it. It's because of structural engineering that that building even exists. But it's not going to happen until you demand it. It's about taking credit. And the world needs to see the things that we do.
Ray is the person that originated the finite element method. And Ed Wilson took that technology and made it available to all of us and changed the course of engineering analysis forever.